Alright, so this is how I create a mock-up, guys. I have my own template of mock-ups. You can just go and search your mock-ups here in the elements section. Yan. Marami kayo makikita mga mock-ups dyan that you wanted to use. Okay? So I'm gonna create a mock-up for my storybook. This is the storybook that I have created. So let's create that one and like just make a collage. So the other term for mock-up is collage for me, for me, that's my own perspective, parang collage or preview. Okay, mock-up preview. And then yun, I downloaded the file here. Okay, all of it. So yan, na-download ko na siya, and then makikita nyo na siya dyan. Na-extract ko na din siya, and then I have already uploaded it here. Yan, dito sa section na to. And then just drag and drop. Yan. This is what I like about mock-ups. So you can just drag and drop it. Yan, ganyan na siya. Ayun. Okay. Saan mo siya ilagay? You can just see it through, and then for the page is ano ba, ito na lang. Yan. And then let's say, ay, gusto ko ganyan. Yan. Gusto ko ganyan. Bet ko siya. Yan. And then, the other part here is ganyan. Drag and drop lang talaga, guys. If you wanted to have this kind of template, guys, I can, you can have this one in my website, and you can have your own copy. Okay? So, there you go. Ganyan siya. And then, this one, I'm planning to put the activities here. Okay. Let's just do it here. So, ang damihan siya. We just choose a lot of images here. Yan. Pang preview lang siya. Yan. Just drag and drop lang talaga, guys. That's the most important thing. And then, I would choose a butterfly. Butterfly. Garden. Kasi, magical garden. Mock-up. Not frames. Magical gardens. Theme. Photos. Flower garden. Pang background lang siya, guys. All. Ayun. Check here. Ano yung maganda dito? Pwede na ba to? Kaya, check ko if maganda ba siya tignan. Ayun, pwede natin siguro yan. Or, this one might better. Ayun, or this one. Just replace it, guys, if you wanted to. And yan, tapos copy ko na lang. Diyan, paste ko lang. O, diba? Ganyan lang. Ganyan lang kadali mo kapag meron ka lang template, guys. Yan. Make your template looks nice. And then, ayan, ganyan siya. Okay. After this one, ganyan na dito. Diba, makikita na nila ganyan. Yun. Or, yeah, pwede din moving, yung parang video style. Pwede din naman. This one. Let me try this. Ulit. Asan ba yung maganda dito? Ayun, ito na lang. Naka-Canva Pro po ako, guys, I'm not using Canva free version. I'm using Canva Pro. Just to let you know. And then, if ever yung customer ko is Canva free user, is tawag dito. Ang makukuha lang naman nila sa akin is PDF file. Okay? And if gusto nila ng template, hindi nila mata-download yung Canva Pro elements unless if they're gonna change it using a Canva Canva free elements. Yun. Madadetect naman yan ng ng Canva. Yan, ganyan siya, guys. Wait lang. Ano na lang. I-ano ko na lang siya, butterfly garden. Butterfly garden. Ganito talaga guys. If you wanted to make your mock-ups more engaging. Ayoko kasi yung ano, yung plain lang. Eh, palaging nagpi-plain yung iba, eh, ayokong alam mo yung you wanted to go out of what's the trend, create your own trend, and just stand out. Kasi yung iba, puro lang pictures, gano'n. Wala namang something new. That's why I wanted to create something new. Yan. So yeah, that's how I create my mock-up guys. And then, gawa muna ako ng mga pang worksheet ng ano, education activity about the storybook. So, as you can see, tapos na ako maglagay ng worksheets. As you can see there, oh yan, up until 36 pages. Yun. And then, na-download ko na din siya. And then, ito na yun. I'm just gonna extract it here. Ganyan yung pag-extract ko, guys. Tapos, 17 to 36 lang pala dapat yun. So, let's gonna go back and upload everything. Okay. Uploading from 17 to 36 only. 36. Ayan. Tapos, hintayin lang natin siyang ma-upload lahat. Kasi, pupunta tayo dito. Yan, ay hindi yan. Dito. Yan, kasi uploading pa yan yung iba dyan. Talaga. Wait lang, hintayin natin. Dito. So, uploaded na siya lahat. Then, let's just put everything here. Just drag and drop.